Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my monthly episode on how much money I make selling my images as stock photography, and best of all, we're doing it from Florence, Italy.
I am in Florence, Italy, shooting for my upcoming series, Exploring Italy. Florence is a beautiful place to visit, and we are enjoying ourselves. This trip is entirely paid for with my stock photography earnings. This just goes to show you that with persistent effort, you can travel on your stock income. Before we go any further, I'd like to thank my supporters like ShutterStock Ireland, Anna Hodgeberg, and Lisa Colton. Also, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this episode with your friends.
So guys, you just never know what images are going to sell. So let's take a look at some images that sold for the first time ever.
This is sunrise just south of Superstition Mountain to the east of Phoenix. This image has a very heavy yellow filter applied to it to get this moody image. I received 11 cents from Getty Images for this photo. This is from the forests of Idaho. I was camping my way from Whidbey Island back home to Phoenix on this trip. I was lucky enough to capture this herd of elk running through a valley. I received 12 cents on ShutterStock. Watson Lake is near the city of Prescott, Arizona. These granite dells are a unique feature in this area. Be careful if you choose to hike around the lake. It can get pretty rugged when traversing this area. ShutterStock gave me 14 cents for this image. This is from Monument Valley in the northeast corner of Arizona. I love this part of the country because of the classic American Southwest images that you can capture. Here you can see many towering mesas against a clear blue sky. Big Stock Photo gave me 25 cents for this photo. Another 25-cent sale from Big Stock is this very early morning shot across the northern part of Phoenix. There is already some dust in the air, but I increased the warm colors and softened this image a bit. Here's another one of my roads to the horizon. I love these images as they just drive me to head out into the vastness of the American West and get lost. Thank you, Getty, for the 33 cents for this image. This next first-time sale is from Germany. This castle is in the Bavarian Alps. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to go inside. I took this image from its more famous sister castle, Neuschwan Castle. I received 36 cents from Adobe Stock. Getty had a $2.29 sale for this video. It is simply a sunset out here in the Sonoran Desert with my drone slowly flying sideways with the saguaro cacti moving across the image and passing in front of the setting sun. Adobe also had a video sale this month. This is simply an evening image with my drone rising and capturing the smoke of a distant wildfire in the fading light of evening. Adobe Stock gave me $28 for this video. I am uploading more video these days to try and take advantage of their higher commissions, but they do take a long time to prep and upload.
People are always asking me what kind of images sell in stock photography. Truth be told, you just don't know. Now, I don't really do any stock setups or anything like that. I like to take the images of my travels. So, I could have higher sales if I would stage images, but I don't. But anyhow, here are the best-selling images from this past month.
This $3.30 image is a close-up of a dragon medallion that I noticed on the streets of Chinatown in Yokohama, Japan. Selling images from Chinatown generally can only be done as editorial because there are people and signs everywhere. For stock, I look for details. Adobe also had another $3.30 sale. This is again from Watson Lake. This panorama shows you the rugged beauty of this area. You can also see how difficult the trail leading around the lake can be, so again, be cautious if you choose to hike around it. Alamy rarely sells any images for me. When they do, it is usually for a decent commission. These flowers are from a spring bloom at Bartlett Lake to the northeast of Phoenix. The landscape on this drive is beautiful. I'm hoping to get my drone out there sometime and take more. ShutterStock gave me $16.99 for this panorama of a sunrise over the mountains of the desert with a road growing through them. I used my drone to capture this image. As a matter of fact, it is one of the first panoramas that I took with my drone. I also love the layers of mountains stretching to the rising sun in this image.
So how much did I actually make this past month selling my images as stock photography? Well, not a whole lot, but selling my images did pay for this trip. So here's the numbers.
This month was a good month. Overall, I am starting to see the average monthly income climbing above the levels we had over the struggles of the last 2 years. I'll admit I have not been submitting as many images as normal, so I know that may be stunting the growth of my income. Still, this was not a bad month. When compared to previous Junes, this was one of the best. As always, I'll put this money into savings and use it for future adventures. Thank you for watching, and please check out my bonus content at patreon.com/EWJ.